G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am at Stones Corner in Brisbane. It's one of those suburbs that, well, is full of extremes, extreme poverty, extreme wealth, extreme weird people, and normal people like the hungry. Now there's a place here called the Brooklyn Depot, and they do hamburgers and hot dogs and things. And I decided to come and grab one of their burgers, the Brooklyn Classic. And, well, like most things in Stones Corner, it comes in a brown paper bag. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, let's suss out the burger that I got today. Now, this burger cost $13.95. All right. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that bun. Gee, that is fancy. Now, the Brooklyn Classic is a single grass-fed Angus beef patty, American cheese, oak leaf lettuce, tomato, and some Depot sauce. Now, I must say, that bun does look magnificent. That must be the Depot sauce. A couple of bits of tomato, some meat, and, I thought it might be smash, but it's got a decent thickness on it. And there's your fancy named lettuce. And the bun is nicely looking toasted there. Interesting. Well, how about we start off by trying some of their Depot sauce, their own special secret mix. Creamy. Kind of tastes like a mayonnaise with maybe some mustard. And it has got a little bit of piquante sort of taste about it. Not sure if there's a paprika hidden in there too, but it tastes like mayo and Dijon. All right. It's a very pretty looking burger, I must say. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. So let's go. Yes. Well, that's what it looks like after its first bite. And you can see how thick that bun is. And when I first bit into it, all I got was this taste of bun. And, well, to me, it looks beautiful, but it doesn't seem really fresh. It seemed a little bit stale, but it might not be stale. It could be just because it's so thick that it's so bready. But it does give it a sort of a stale texture, if you know what I mean. But flavour-wise, so far, it tastes pretty good. Tastes like a homemade burger, actually. But let's keep going. There's definitely a little bit of sweetness about that bun. It's not like one of those really sweet ones though, but I can taste some sugar in it. The meat with the cheese on it tastes really nice. Just tastes like your normal squished up beef with some cheese on it, and, well, tastes like something you can do yourself. And this fancy lettuce, mate. So fancy. Well, it's definitely got one of those fancy restaurant burger flavours about it. The thing I am liking about it is that Angus beef there with the cheese on it. It is really tasty. It's not the juiciest or the sauciest burger I've had, but it's still pretty good. But what score would I give it out of 10? Well, value-wise, $14. If you're looking at spending $14 on lunch and not being filled up, then this is the perfect burger for you. Flavour-wise, it's a tasty burger. The meat and cheese on it is really nice. I'm really enjoying it. It's got the veggies on there, which I couldn't really taste, and that Dijon mustardy sauce that's on there, it's there in the background, which gives the burger some heat, but it doesn't really have a lot of like juiciness or moisture about this burger. It's kind of a little bit dry, especially with that big thick bun on it. It's still a tasty burger, but it just seems like a typical flavour of one of those smash burger joints that they all seem to taste pretty similar. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for their signature burger, the Brooklyn Classic, mate, I think this burger deserves a 6.9 out of 10. It's got some good flavours about it. The flavours are probably up there in the 8 section, but the price of this thing is like really expensive, and for what you're getting on is very minimal, and well, it is still tasty, and I probably would go back there again. I wouldn't mind trying their hot dogs, actually. They had some other hot dogs there and some other burgers, one with cheese squirted in the top for $20. Not sure if it would be worth that, but maybe it will be. If I ever go back again, might give it a go. There you go, Brooklyn Depot at Stone's Corner. Pretty tasty burgers. And if you're really rich, mate, you'll be able to afford to go there, no worries. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a fancy burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where